Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Logitech G915 TKL, and in this video I am going to show you how to insert a key into this keyboard. Alright, so as you can see, right here we don't have a key because I have one right here, and to insert this key all you have to do is just aim with these two little things to these little holes like this, and we have to pull it until we don't hear this sound for the both holes. And as you can see, our key is just on the keyboard like this. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!